guys, this is Nicole Chapman from Dodson Elementary. Just wanted to show you guys how to use Google Graphs. So if you have a Google spreadsheet with any information or data, here I just have a sample one that just has student names, letter sounds, CVC words decoded. We're really focusing on early literacy at our campus this year and trying to make sure all of our students are reading by third grade. So this is something that all of our younger grades are tracking. So it's just an easy one to go off of. But you could use this for any sort of information. So it's actually way easier than you might think to use a spreadsheet to create a graph. All you have to do is have all of your information filled in. Then you just go over and click. So what I did is I clicked and then I held shift and dragged to get all of my data and my labels highlighted. You have to include the titles too, and otherwise it won't label the graph for you. Once you have that all selected, then you just come up here and say insert and chart. It'll automatically default to a bar graph, like a little column chart. But you can see it automatically fills everything in for you. You can click and change here. So when you click on it over here, it'll bring it up on the sidebar. And if you wanted to edit it, you can just edit it right here and it'll change it on your graph as well. But so I might just change that, or you can leave it. It's up to you, but it'll pop up all the different ways to do a graph on the side. So this is the standard one. If you don't like the standard chart, you can also do other graphs. Again, just insert chart. And up here, you'll see the setup. You can change the chart type. So if you wanted to see like a pie chart, you could change it to that. You could do a combination chart. You can do line graphs, however you prefer. So you could go in and set like the baseline as one of them and have that be like, if your goal is that they all know a minimum of 10, you could have a baseline one and then it'll chart on there where they are compared to the baseline. But all of those are options that are over here. You can see all the different kinds. So this would be a scatter chart. So if you're an older grade level teacher and you teach scatter plots, this might be helpful for you as well to make sample ones for your class if they collected data. But it's really endless, the number of options that they have of ways that you can see it. So I think that's pretty cool that you can see all of those. And again, if you want to edit anything, if you were to change it here, say like early literacy indicators, and it changes it automatically on your graph for you. You can also change all of the alignment, font, anything else that you would do, the colors, all of those things are on here. You just drop down and you can change all of those there. So hope this helps.